Okay, so career fairs are held twice a year. One would be in the fall semester and one would be in the spring semester. The fall career fair happens around September. So remember that you would come here in August, and right in like 1 year, 1 month, you have a career fair. So just make sure that you're ready for it. Your resume and cover letter should be ready. And the other career fair happens in spring, which is not a very big, which is not a very big career fair compared to the fall one, because in fall you have around like 300 to 400 companies visiting, but in spring you have around 200 companies visiting. Right. So career fair, I would say, is one option to find an internship, but that is a very powerful, or I would say, a very good opportunity where you can network with many companies or many big companies. Say because UIUC is a big brand and there are many great companies visiting here. So if you have any dream companies in your mind, you can definitely find them in the career fair. They will be there, and just make sure you visit them, take their business cards, make some contacts, make sure you give your resume to them, and make sure you leave some impression on them, so that if they are looking for an intern, and if they feel that you are a good candidate, they might just call you for an interview. Or many a times after the career fairs, some on-campus interviews take place. So you might get a call for that, and you might just get an internship for that after giving that on-campus interview. So yeah, career fair is one option. I would say definitely attend the career fair, talk to as many companies as you can, give your resumes, and talk to them to tell them what you are interested to do, or what technology you're interested to work with, or what role you're interested to work with. And I'm sure you might get at least 2 or 3 calls from the career fair, and I think that's good enough if you could at least convert one of them. This would be subjective. This would depend a lot on what role you are applying for. So I can suggest you for something like what I did. I applied for software engineering and data science roles. So doing your Python very well, maybe one or two scripting languages, say Python, or one would be one object oriented language like C, C++, or Java, whichever you like. Then solving some problems online would really help you, something like HackerRank or LeetCode. This might help you to make your Python practice better, or any other language practice, because here, for any technical role that you apply, even if you apply for data science roles, they might still have 1 or 2 rounds to test you on your coding skills. So have your coding skills ready, and as soon as you move to US, just make sure that you start practicing this, and that will help you a lot in the long term, because that is something I did not know, and I had to practice later when I was doing my full-time job search. But yeah, finally I happened to do it, but yeah, I could have started it earlier. So that is something I would definitely recommend. And other things to prepare would be knowing your fundamentals very well. So it's not that they would test you on something very difficult, but they will test you very well for what you did, say for what projects you worked on before your bachelor's final project, or if you have a work experience, they will ask you on what are the things you did, or what was the impact of your work. And I think that is very important. So make sure you prepare that well. Make sure you have a very good resume and cover letter. Although College Pond does a very good job in refining your cover letters and resume, so make sure you do that. Okay, for internship, if you happen to get something like the Big Four, or like the top companies like Google, Microsoft, or any other like Facebook, you might get paid as much as I think $6,000 a month. Yeah, 6,000 to $7,000 a month, and that's a lot of salary for a internship. But that's again for the Big Four. For any other average companies, you might get paid around 3,000 to 5,000 a month. Yes, definitely in US there is this trend. Almost I think 80 to 90% of the internships would convert to full time, except for just few small companies who might not be ready to sponsor you, because as you know, international students have to be sponsored to be retained as a full time employee, because they would sponsor your H1B or any other visa that you want. So yeah, but if you manage to get into a decent company, I'm sure they will retain you for full time as well. You might want to give one interview in the end, like that's just company to company basis. But yeah, most of them would retain you. I would say it's more or less the same. They do test again, same concept, same fundamentals, same coding. Just that for full-time roles, you might have no more number of rounds. Say for internship, you might be having only 2 rounds or 3 rounds, but for full-time, you can it can go anything up to 6 or 8 rounds. Well, yeah, in my case, it has helped me a lot. Even for internships, my company was very much happy with that I had a prior experience. And even during full-time search, people ask me a lot about my experience, whether what I did, technologies I worked on, and it does help a lot. But then again, it won't help you to get a senior role here because India's experience is not really considered here a lot. They don't give a very big value to it. But then, yeah, overall, it helps you in your job search. You will definitely get what you want, and don't get disheartened if you don't have a prior experience, because I've seen even freshers getting a very good job or very good internships, which pays you as good as what I got did. So don't worry about that. Then yeah, I think we were a batch of around 100 to 120 students, and I'm really glad that everybody managed to get a job at this point of time. We all graduated in December, and now it is February. I think, except for 3 students, I think my whole batch is having offers now, and they have already started working. So yeah, it's a pretty good ratio. I would say it is almost 98, 99%.